Hello there, good afternoon. You're watching Proactive London and Phil Caldwell is here from Ceres Power because Bosch is joining your partnership with Weichai Power to target China's fuel cells market, which is enormous. Phil, how do you feel about this deal? Talk us and walk us through some of these nuts and bolts and details, if you would.
Yeah, fantastic. Thanks, Katie, for the chance to talk this morning. Look, we've been working with Weichai and Bosch for a number of years. They're both significant partners of ours and major shareholders in the company. And we always had the intention to go into the Chinese market with Weichai. For those of you that don't know Weichai, they're one of the biggest engine manufacturers in China, one big manufacturer of commercial vehicles. And for us, that was a big step. The addition of Bosch to take on a big role in the manufacturing of our technology and actually build a facility in China is a huge step forward for us. It's a great combination of Bosch's industrialization and manufacturing capability, along with Weichai's presence in what's probably the biggest market for our technology globally. So it's a massive step for us as a British technology company.
Mm-hmm. Massive step, as you say. So two separate joint ventures will be formed, right, in the Shandong province. So how will this work, this new arrangement?
Yeah, so there's two sides to this. One is the system or the product side, and that's to provide power systems for things like motive, like buses and trucks, and also for products like stationary power that could go into things like powering data centers, grid reinforcement, distributed power, so stationary power applications. And we're going to participate as a minority shareholder in the system joint venture. So that's all about increasing the market for our products that we develop together. And we're going to put capability into that, as is Bosch, and Bosch, some of Bosch's products that we've developed as well. So we're going to pool all of that together. And then separate to that, Bosch and Weichai are going to actually produce our technology, which is a stack that goes into the power systems in a separate manufacturing joint venture, which will be majority owned by Bosch. And Bosch have got a lot of experience in China. They have 55,000 people already, or thereabouts, in China, and have been established for one of the longest established Western companies in China to date. So a very strong pedigree, and that combination of Bosch and Weichai is formidable, really.
Mm-hmm. So kind of what's the next stage? What happens now, Phil?
Well, we signed heads of terms, and now we're busy in the coming months to get the definitive agreements done. Right. And then we'll actually form the joint ventures. And it's all about scale and bringing products through, developing products for the Chinese market, and then scaling beyond that. So it's something that's been anticipated from us for quite a while. But I think that from the investors' point of view, they should be very pleased with this outcome, because it's actually an even stronger deal, stronger partnership than we originally anticipated. So we're extremely happy with it.
Great stuff. A massive step as described by you. Thank you very much indeed. Phil Caldwell there from Ceres Power.
Thank you.